All right, found my Goni.
I can.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna do supination pronation 0 to 80 again. All right. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to fully supinate our arm,
Okay.
our hand, our forearm. It's going to be along your ulnar side of the process here, and I'm just going to follow your hand with the Goni.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. 90 degrees. Same thing on the other side. Just gonna turn this kind of around again. Ulnar side of the process. I'm gonna follow this down. Hand here. Pressure. 90 degrees. Perfect. All right. Let's work on your fingers now. Actually, no. We need to do some wrist. All right. So what I'm going to actually have come a little closer. Our wrist is going to be. Can you go about 90 degrees with the elbow a little bit, so it's flexed? And then we're going to actually have your palm down like that over the edge. So flexion, all straight down, and extension straight up. Go ahead and relax this guy. So it's got a huge forearm.
Thanks, man.
The wrist isn't even all the way down. Okay. So, alrighty. 0 to 80 flexion, 0 to 70 extension. Okay. So, let's do flexion first.
Okay.
So, put the Goni here. Actually, like this. Yep. All right. And yeah, you're gonna flex down for me. Good. Yeah. About 80 degrees. And now can you go up for me?
Yeah.
Okay, looks good. All right, now we're gonna do some radial and ulnar deviation. So, yep, side to side for me, looks good. I'm gonna put the, about over the capitate right there.
Yep.
And then this guy's gonna go up your forearm right there, and then this is gonna be over the third finger.
Okay.
Right there. All right, let's do ulnar deviation first, so towards me. There we go. About 30 degrees. Now can we go in? We're gonna radial deviate. 30 degrees. You're actually pretty even on both sides. Cool. Okay. So ulnar side, believe it or not, when you're going towards your pinky, you have a little more range, 0 to 30, which you were perfect.
Feels that way.
And then radial, you had 0 to 20. You were actually at over that too.
But I didn't think it would take me all afternoon to.
All right. All right, we're gonna work on your fingers now.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do. Yeah. First, this guy feels okay.
Yep.
Go in for me. Go out. Wiggle it. It looks good. All right. So the first one we'll do flexion of the whole finger. Good.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and go down for me. Good. About 90 degrees. I'm gonna move it forward. We're gonna get this part of your finger right here, the pit, proximal. Down. About 95. Good. And now let's get this very edge here, this little of the dip.
Okay.
Distal. Good. About 95. That. Okay? Feel okay?
Feel okay?
Good. You're good. Don't worry.
Yeah, that's not a big deal.
Alrighty. Now we got to do radial deviation of the finger, right? Because we don't have to do adduction. So we're just going out towards the outside.
Okay, good.
So, yeah. Good. About 25 degrees.
Okay.
Still no pain?
Nope. Good.
Alright, now we are working on the thumb. Alright, so flexion, you should have about 0 to 15. Extension, you actually have a little more, 0 to 20.
Okay.
Okay? So let's do flexion first. So I'm going to do this here. And you're going, yeah, you're flexing for me already. Look at you. You're ahead of the ball game. 30 degrees, good. And now can you extend for me? Alright, actually gonna go towards the middle again. I'm gonna start you there.
Okay.
Alright, now extend. Oh, 15 degrees.
Okay.
Good?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, next one, easy one. Go ahead and bring your thumb to your pinky. You see that? Yeah, you're able to do it. So if you weren't able to do it, I would just be measuring the distance that you would be not being able to do it, just to give me a baseline of where we are. Okay?
Yep.
Alright, abduction and adduction of the thumb. Alright, so about 0 to 70.
Okay.
Both ways, okay?
Yep.
Alright, so start here about normal. This guy. There we go. Alright, now adduct, you're going to bring this thumb in towards your hand. About 50 degrees, and now come out. Good, about 40 degrees.
Cool.
Good?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, last one, flexion extension of that part of your thumb. Okay? So, again, we already did the full thumb. Now we're just getting this part and then this part, so the proximal and distal, or the regular and then the distal.
Okay.
Alright, so go ahead and flex that thumb for me. About 90 degrees, and now let's get this last piece pressed. About 89 degrees. Looks good. Alrighty. Alright, we have 3 quick tests. Just to check the measurement of your, can you give this to me? Yeah. Thank you. 3 quick tests to measure the muscle length of your upper extremities. So let's go ahead and lay on our back. Ah, wrong one. This one.
I actually found it right on the table.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Keep it for me then.
Yeah. Alright, so the first one, I'm going to measure your muscle length, muscle length of your bicep. And to do the muscle length of your bicep, I'm actually going to raise this pillow up a little bit so it's not impeding your shoulders. What you're going to do, we're going to fully extend your shoulder. Okay? So we're going to actually come towards me a little bit so we're at the edge of the table. Good. I'm going to fully extend your shoulder. Good. Can you fully extend or flex your elbow?
Yep.
Good. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to slowly release that. And you have, everything's good. So you have a straight line, so about 0 degrees or 185. That's good. All right. So if you didn't have full range of motion, I'd be measuring that angle right there.
Okay.
All right. 2 more quick tests, or actually 4 more quick tests. What I want you to do next, go ahead, hands behind your back. I'm actually going to take the pillow out for this, okay?
Okay.
Hands behind your back. And what I'm looking for to see if your elbows and shoulders hit the table, okay? This is you testing your pec major.
Okay.
And it's good. If it were super tight, your elbows would be up there, and this is the distance that I've been measuring.
Okay.
All right, now test pec minor. Kind of make a Y. We're going in that scapular plane. Now go down as far as you can.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, in like a Y form. Yep. Good. All right. So. Good. That looks good. Good. All right. You have a little tightness on your pec minor, but you're actually to the table as well.
Okay.
So that looks good.
Yeah.
2 quick tests for me. We're actually going to sit on up. All right. These are easy. Go ahead and sit on the edge of the table facing me. What I want you to do is kind of go ahead and make a fist. Testing your extensors and flexors. Good. And yes. How did you know that? Go ahead and make the fist. I didn't ask you to do that yet. So now do this. Yes. So I'm testing to see if your fingers get to your hand, which you can do that with your thumb. Looks good. All right. Last one. Straighten your hands. Kind of fully extend, so go back. I'm just going to check this. Good. All right. Good. The muscle length of that looks good. Alrighty. All right. Well, that concludes our measurements, range of motion, and everything. Do you have any questions?
No?
Alrighty. Bad light tape.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
I'll see you next time.